Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LTZ in a black exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have minor damage on the CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice a black grille insert with chrome trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents with running fog lights, as well as your black towing hooks. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior. You will have turn signal indicators, as well as running boards. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black leather, along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you have 16 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, both the front and rear pads will be 18 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black leather interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have a pull-down middle console here with 2 cup holders. And on the back of the center console, you will have 2 small storage areas as well as a 12-volt plug-in. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a hitch and receiver. It is also equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, go ahead and drop the tailgate to show you guys the bed size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, seat memorization, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 60,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your four-wheel drive options, as well as your dash brightness and your headlight and fog light options. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. You will have your gear shifter here on the right side behind the steering wheel. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your talking options, as well as your dashboard options. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. You will also have navigation. And as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as your traction control. You will have your heated seats. You will have a storage area here with 2 12-volt plug-ins, a 115-volt plug-in, and 2 USB plug-ins. You will have 2 cup holders and a large center console. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options, as well as a sunglass holder. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 6.0L V8F OHV16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you'll have a couple stone chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will also have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the passenger side of the bed, you will have a couple chips. Here on the tailgate, you will have a couple scratches, as well as a couple chips. Here on the driver's side of the bed, you will also have a couple scratches as well as a couple chips. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple chips. Here on the front driver's side door, you will have a couple scratches. These are all pre-owned vehicles here at All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LTZ in a black exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.